You've probably never seen a machine this gigantic before. It can overcome every obstacle in some truly incredible environments. An incredibly stupid narrow road turn by the truck driver. Just look at the size of the truck. I honestly don't understand how he thought he could turn on such a tiny road like this. Oh no, the trailer is loaded with tons of massive logs. The truck's job now is to cross a dangerous bridge, and with its powerful engine and flexible articulated joints, it moves across surprisingly easily. The LKT 120 is a specialized forestry skidder weighing over 26,000 pounds. It uses a nearly 180 HP diesel engine to move through slippery terrain filled with tree stumps and dangerous deep mud. It is now descending a steep slope while being secured by a loose cable. I don't know why such a gigantic machine is squeezing into a place like this. The heavy-haul truck is transporting a massive excavator on its trailer as it moves deep into a residential area. Give this machine some support by commenting one. The Caterpillar 966M slowly rolls down the road. This wheel loader, weighing over 51,000 pounds, uses a Cat C9, 3 Acert engine producing nearly 286 HP. Its powerful hydraulic system continuously lifts and lowers the massive 5.4 cubic meters bucket with impressive stability. With just a few powerful crushing grips, the massive tractor is completely destroyed. The excavator, equipped with a hydraulic crusher arm and weighing over 70,000 pounds, uses its high-pressure grapple to crush the steel frame and cabin of the tractor within minutes. Meanwhile, the steel arm stretching over 20 feet rises and slams down repeatedly, bending and tearing metal apart across the ground. Beyond my imagination, I have never witnessed a machine this gigantic before. The Liebherr R9350 weighs over 300 tons and uses a massive 18 cubic meters bucket to move hundreds of tons of dirt and rock every hour in the middle of a dust-filled mining site. The engine roars endlessly like a savage beast. Too dangerous. Don't hesitate to subscribe now to witness even more catastrophic situations like these. The truck is carrying far more material than allowed. The machine is struggling to climb the slope, continuously sliding backward because of the enormous weight of sand behind it. Danger could strike at any moment. This video captures the transportation of timber from the mountains down to the lowlands. Massive trucks carrying Dozens of tons of logs move through dangerous mountain roads, while their 500-plus HP diesel engines roar loudly. The way they move is incredibly fast and professional, isn't it? Can you guess what kind of machine this is? For those who don't know, it's a Komatsu PC350LC crawler excavator equipped with a hydraulic rock breaker hammer. It is mainly used for breaking and mining large rocks, but this job requires real courage because rock collapses can happen at any moment. Transport experts at work 3 heavy haul trucks are transporting a massive power transformer. The specialized heavy haul tractor uses a diesel engine producing more than 600 HP to move the hundreds of tons electrical transformer through narrow and dangerous roads. Meanwhile, dozens of trailer wheels distribute the enormous weight to prevent damage to the road surface. Next is the Komatsu 785 excavator being transported to the worksite. It is secured on a massive heavy haul trailer, slowly moving forward. I came across a giant mining machine being transported by a heavy haul truck on the road. You can't imagine how enormous this thing really is. The engine roars so loudly that it overpowers every other sound around it. Thank you for watching the video. Subscribe now to witness even more gigantic machines and unbelievable heavy equipment in action.